welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be super different. Today is Monday. It's the first day of spring break. I'm literally walking backwards because the sun is pointing in this direction. Right now we're at Deerfield Beach. Oh my god, I'm scared. Look at all the cars. Right now we're at Deerfield Beach and we're going to hit this beach first. The rest of the week we're gonna try to hit some more beaches and see what it's like. I have my friend Brittany here with me. You guys have seen her on my channel before. It's really hot out here. I don't even know why I put on all this makeup, but guys, you have to see how beautiful this is. Jesus. Anyways, it's so hot out here. I don't know what is going on. I have a cold. I don't know how I got sick and how I even caught what I have right now. So I'm out here by the grace of God. But we're about to see how this is because I've never actually been on the beach during spring break at all, so I have no idea what it's about to be like. We actually just came to this beach because it's actually the closest beach to where we live. Tomorrow we might hit a few more popular beaches, and yeah, so I'm sorry guys if my voice is all over the place. I'm struggling right now. And I actually did something different with my hair. I need to get it redone. Today we're gonna try to get some really cute pictures. I don't know, we're about to see how this is about to go down because the things that I've seen about spring break have been crazy. Brittany, what do you think about spring break?
It's crazy.
You think so?
Yeah.
We didn't even get to see the crazy part yet.
Well, no, people are crazy on spring break. That's what I heard.
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I've never been on the beach on spring break, so I'm gonna experience this myself as well.
Okay, okay.
And, you know, I'm gonna take some cute pics.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. We're super close to the beach now. It's like right behind me kind of, but you can't really see it. But yeah, we've been standing at this crosswalk for quite some time now. You know. Okay, so guys, as of right now, this beach looks mad quiet. I don't know, we at the wrong beach. It's a lot of older people here right now. Right, Britt?
Really, yes.
I don't know guys, there's a side where a lot of like students and younger people go to, so we're gonna try to hit that side. If not, then we're gonna hit Fort Lauderdale Beach tonight and see what's going down. It feels good though. The water is actually really clear. The last time I was here, the water was not this clear, guys. I should have wore this bathing suit while I was in Jamaica, but I don't know, I didn't try it. I think I forgot it at home.
Cold, God. Stop! Ashley! I'm not trying to get my hair wet. I need to put it up.
I'm not dipping and diving in this water like that.
I'm only just standing in it right now.
Ooh, this feels so good.
Ooh, baby.
OMG, what am I about to do? So the last time you saw us, we were at Deerfield Beach. Yeah, we left. We're all the way in Fort Lauderdale now. We were looking for some more fun, I guess, and we didn't see any. So I got hungry and I was like, let's go to Cheesecake Factory, which happened to be about 5 minutes from where we were. So while we're looking for parking, I found these scooters. I've been wanting to ride one for so long and I did not know where to find them. They were actually supposed to be banned for spring break. I saw it on the news.
That scooter is unlocked.
Oh, shoot. Guys, I'm nervous. I don't know. We're about to see. There's some type of party going on around 10 o'clock. I don't know if we're gonna go. Oh my god, I'm so over my hair. So we don't know if we're really gonna go yet. It starts at 10. Right now it's like 8. What time is it? Like 8 o'clock?
It's 8:48.
It's 8:48, almost 9. So we're gonna eat just a little snack, you know, something slight, and then we're gonna try to ride these scooters. And ooh, girl, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm a little scared. I don't really like things like this. Oh my god, scared.
Wait, you gotta unlock it first. You gotta move the lock.
Okay.
Don't fall, Ashley. I believe in you. Are you riding?
I don't know.
Is it going?
Hold on. Oh, okay, hold on.
It's going? Don't fall.
I don't know how to do it.
Come back.
Brittany. crazy. Like, I don't even know how to turn on this thing. Renee, go ahead, try it out.
No, I'm scared. I don't want to go. I told you.
Come on, go.
No, what you mean go?
You just gotta push off and go.
No. How do you even go? Guys, we're gonna bolt in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I figured out a way to put the camera on the scooter, so we're gonna attempt to do this. So, there's a car behind me. Oh! I see a car. Okay, guys. This thing actually goes really fast. Oh my god, I'm sorry the camera's shaking, guys. Oh my. Woo! It's actually going, it tells you the miles per hour and everything. It's on. Oh my. It's going 13 miles per hour right now. What in the,
boy, if you don't get
what in the world? Well, you guys, we're in Cheesecake Factory now after riding those scooters. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. One thing that's so weird, we were catching the breeze in those scooters, but we were sweating so bad, it's ridiculous. So we thought we'd sit inside Cheesecake Factory for it to not be that cool in here anyways. It's actually kind of hot in here. So that's that. So we kind of already know what we want. I'm gonna get the fried mac and cheese, and Brittany says she's gonna do the same thing. That's pretty much my favorite thing when I come here. Oh, here's our lemonade. Thank you.
We care for some bread?
Yes, please. Yeah. Ooh, y'all don't know nothing about that bread at Cheesecake Factory. This is my favorite thing from Cheesecake. Strawberry lemonade. Ooh. You guys, I'm sorry the lighting is so like orangish. It's just how it is in here. This bread is so good. If you've ever came to Cheesecake Factory, this is the bread to eat. Oh my gosh, hold on, it's getting out of focus. Y'all are asleep on this bread if you've never had it. We call it the chocolate bread because it's just brown, but it's not chocolate bread, but it's so good. Y'all sleep on the bread. This one, she alright, but this, ooh, so good. So my food finally came. So tell me how I got the fried mac and cheese, and she got these mozzarella sticks basically, but how she got more for, she paid like what, $6, and mine cost $11 for the fried mac and cheese. This is some craziness. Cheesecake, y'all need to explain this. You guys, it's probably actually like 12, but I'm gonna still say good morning. Today we are at Fort Lauderdale Beach again in the daytime, because yesterday you guys saw we were at Deerfield Beach. Yeah, I think we found the right beach. There's a lot of people out here now. There's not really much going on, but everyone's in the water. It's super hot. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see me that good. But I have this wrap on my head because my hair's not done. And yeah, but we're about to go in the water. The water looks so good. Like when I was in Jamaica, this is how the water looked. I can barely see what I'm recording, but oh my gosh. Guys, every single day I've been forgetting my sunscreen and my skin's about to be so burnt. Oh my gosh. The sun is beaming on me.
We black.
Don't mean nothing. Black people always be like, you know, we don't wear sunscreen. No, you guys, we need to put on sunscreen. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's kind of cold for real. Okay.
You gotta dip yourself. Hurry up. 3, 2, 1. Ashley, really? Really? Dip yourself. It has to. Are you serious?
It is a little cold, but this is good because it's hot out today. Just wanted to update you guys. After Cheesecake Factory, we ended up just going home. There was a party that we were supposed to go to that I did mention to you guys, but we ended up not even going because we just didn't feel like it because we were just gonna wake up and just come to the beach today. So we're here now and it looks mad nice. People are way out because the water is like low tide or whatever. So.
All right, 1, 2, 3, dip. 1, 2, 3. 1.
Hold up.
I need. Jesus. It's cool. Hey guys, you can't say I didn't do it. I did myself. Like, that's enough now.
That's enough. You guys, oh my God, we just witnessed 2 people getting arrested for drugs. They had a police dog come out here and sniff all the bags. He picked up somebody's bag and just, the dog sat on the bag. I'm out of breath talking to you. Somebody just threw a ball over here. The dogs went and sniffed every bag and he sat on the one that he felt there was drugs in. They opened the girl's bag. We're like, can he even do that? Next thing you know, they put that girl in handcuffs quick. Crazy out here, guys. This is really crazy. Look how many people are in the water right now. I've never been to the beach when it was this crowded like this. Yeah, no, I've never been. Where's
Oh, it's good.
Yo, look, everybody's in the water chilling. You got Brittany screaming.
Go.
Yo, looks like it's about to rain though, low key.
The weather's.
Y'all, they have Channel 6 News out here recording. He's out here interviewing people. They got a boombox down there. It is so packed. Everybody's out here right now. You guys, this is so crazy. I have never been to spring break out here on the beach like this. This is a once in a lifetime type thing. Okay. Let me see what's going on in this circle right here, yo. Let me see this. There's somebody underwear. There's somebody underwear. Yes, I touched it. It is so nasty. You supposed to hear that shit? This one over there too. This corny. Guys, go Brittany. Go Brittany. right here. Okay, we're walking to the car. We came here at a good time and then we ended up leaving here at a pretty decent time because we got a good parking spot and okay, and yeah, it's about to rain now, so I'm still kind of wet though. Guys, look at me, I'm sweating, look at my face. So as you guys saw in that last clip, I was leaving the beach and on my way home. That was extremely eventful. I can't explain to you. You guys just had to see it for yourself. That was crazy. I definitely had so much fun though. I would definitely recommend you guys check it out and come to South Florida for your spring break. Fort Lauderdale Beach is where it's at. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys that watch my videos, and make sure that you guys give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you get notified when I post my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.